Hey everyone, today I'm working on something that's very close to my heart. I'm designing packaging for my Endo Affirmation cards. I created these cards a couple of years ago and it was to uplift me during times that I was suffering with my chronic illness, and also I put it on my Etsy store so others with endo could buy these cards and use them to uplift themselves. So at the time I packaged them in a pretty little yellow organza bag, only because I didn't really have the tools or the skills to design like a box to put them in. But today, thanks to Pacdora, I can easily create a box to package my cards in. So I'm going to show you how I do that today. Here are some of the affirmation cards. I've got the logo on the back and the affirmation is on the front, and the colours were inspired by the endometriosis awareness movement. So lots of yellow, and I also use greens, oranges and browns to complement the yellow, and because they're some of my favourite colours. For this project I'm using Pacdora. Pacdora makes it easy to create a custom box design. In the past I've created die lines from scratch using Adobe Illustrator. It's no fun, it was too much work, and it took me ages to get it right. With Pacdora they offer thousands of die line templates for you to choose from. You can download them, customize them, edit them. So I'm going to click on Pacdora's die line templates and I'm going to search for playing cards because I want something that's like a playing cards box. There are 120 templates available. Just have a look at some of them. Okay, this looks good. Flip top lock box die line. Just have a look to see what this one looks like. Oh, that's good. That's absolutely perfect. This is the one. This is nice. I like this. Let's see how easy it is for me to customize this template for my Endo Warrior affirmation cards. The length of my box is 55, the width is 14 and the height is 86. Customer thickness, I don't think I need that. White cardboard, yep. Manufacturer dimensions, yep. So this is the dimensions of my box. Let's download the die line. I've downloaded the die line and opened it in Adobe Illustrator so I can start adding my designs. looks ready, so I'm going to go back into Pacdora and upload my files. That's the outside of the box design done. Let's see how it looks so far. Now for the inside. All done, it looks really good. Now that my die line template is complete, I'm exploring with Pacdora's product scenes to bring my designs to life. First, I'm going to change the background. You can add a solid color, a gradient, or even custom images to make the scene pop. Next, I'll try the video animation tool, perfect for sharing the design in motion. And lastly, I'm gonna try their 3D mock-up just to see how the package looks from every angle. These tools make it so easy to visualize the final product. I'm really happy with how the boxes came out. It's really easy. If you want to make your own packages too, use my code MORE20 on the Pacdora website for 20% off. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.